If you're seeing the message that you can only use Spotify abroad for 14 days, don't worry. This error is really common, and it usually just means Spotify thinks you've been outside your account's home country longer than allowed. It's not a punishment, it's not a ban, and it's something you can fix in just a couple of minutes once you know where to look. The first thing you should do is open a browser and go to Spotify.com. Log into your account like normal. Once you're signed in, head to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, choose the account option. That brings you to your account overview where you can change everything from your plan to your personal settings. Next, find the option that lets you edit your profile. Scroll down until you see the section labeled country or region. This is where the problem usually comes from. Spotify automatically locks your country based on where your account was created, but if you've traveled or moved, this setting can fall out of sync. Use the drop-down menu to select the country you're actually in right now. After you choose the correct one, scroll down and hit the save button. There is one important detail you need to know. If you're using Spotify on a free account, you can switch your country without any extra requirements. Just save the new region and you're ready to start listening again. But if you're on Spotify Premium, your payment method has to match the country you set. For example, if you change your region to France, Spotify expects you to have a French billing method. That means a bank card, PayPal, or a payment option that's registered in that country. If your card doesn't match the new region, Spotify won't accept the change, which causes the 14-day warning to come back. If you've updated your country, checked your billing details, and you're still getting the message, then the issue is usually something deeper on Spotify's end. At that point, your best option is to contact Spotify support. They can look at your account directly and fix problems that the website won't let you adjust yourself. Support can also reset region settings or update your billing location if it didn't sync correctly. Once everything is updated, the 14-day error disappears and you can use Spotify normally no matter where you travel. If this guide helped you fix the problem, feel free to like the video and leave a comment with any other Spotify issues you want explained. Enjoy your music and safe travels wherever you are listening from.